This is a 40-gallon. Oh, there's some dielectric nipples right there. I'm gonna take these. I wonder how long those have been there. These can be very useful to have on the truck. So this is likely a single wall 40. Yep. And how old is it? Year. It says year right there. How old is it? Well, anyway. Wait a second. That one says 7948, but that's actually 7950, which is the unit number. But that's working, and this one is not. I think they must have got it confused. I love these old buildings. This is from, I want to say, 1930s. Got a little sump pit in there. See if this works, and it does. A bit crusty, but it works. Okay, well, turn that off. You can probably just drain it down into the sump pit. Let's see if this works. And it works. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Use these. Oh, I don't know, maybe not. No, that's okay. I can fix that. Okay. I'm just waiting on Uncle Brent to get here. What's up, Brantley? All right. Will it work? Are we gonna have to use a sediment buster again? That doesn't work. So the drain port is fully open. There you go, that's pushing some of the sediment out. Well, that was stupid. All right, well, no big deal. We're just gonna have to,
Water coming from?
huh?
Where's that water coming from?
The TMP. Well, that's annoying. That's annoying as heck, but whatever, it's all good. This is likely all sloped to this sump pit, so. Gosh. Never wants to drain, does it? Alright, well, let's pop that off then. Alright. Here you go. Just don't get my feetsies wet. Oh, look at that. That ain't nothing. Oh man, are these nipples not threading on? They're not going on. I think it's because of this. Could you hand me my the needle nose pliers? There you go. Oh man, you freaking kidding me right now, dude? Won't thread on. Stupid freaking things.
Flip it around.
No, it's not that. It's the inserts. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Oh,
There you go. Well, it's the same on both sides, though. All right. But now we still have to. We still gotta. Do this right here. Do you have a long screwdriver?
yeah. Here. That long flathead.
Yeah, that's fine. So what we got to do now is bro, are you freaking kidding me right now, dude? Alright, let's
Stab down there with this.
try this again. Whoa, what is that? Oh. That's a good idea. Alright, let me tighten this. It's always something, Brent. It's always something. There, it's coming a little better. Okay. Let's get this on here. Any water come? What is going on, bro? This is starting to really annoy me. What the heck, dude?
There's a little trickling.
There you go. There you go. Pump is working. Keep going a little more. Yep. Yeah, pump is working. All right. If you want, you can just leave it like this, unless you want to hold it. All right. All right, let's we'll do it right here. What the heck?
Big powder probably. You need a battery?
Man, you got one of these? Heck yeah. Awesome. Nice. Okay. There you go. All right, now we're gonna save this, save that guy, and then we'll put a male adapter on there and right there, press them on. Yeah, okay. New gas. Thank you, sir. All right, let's clean these up. Could you hand me the Pro Press right there?
Yeah.
Get this pressed on here. Right quick. Actually, you want to press these real quick? There you go. Press that sucker on there. Hold up, let me. Go ahead. No, hold up. You're not on.
I got you.
Down there, nope. There you go. Go ahead. There you go. And then okay. Okay. All right, go ahead. It's on there. You're good. And you're good. You can turn that off. All right, there you go. Now just for the TMP. There you go. Just hold it for like 30 seconds. Just put a coupling. Let me just go get a press coupling, then we'll be done. Be done. Okay, and that's all.